Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and today I'm here with my very first glueless wig from SHEIN. This is the box that it came in, and I'm gonna dig right into it and see what it came with. So in the box with the wig, I got this pair of stocking cap. That's it. So it's a 20-inch natural black wig with a density of 150, and the lace on the front of it is 4x4. Also, I must mention that the texture of this hair is body wave. Here is a closer look at the lace that is on it. It has two clips in the sides, one in the back, and it also has an adjustable strap on it that is gonna help to securely hold that wig onto your head. As you can see, the lace isn't bleached, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation on it, and this is what it looks like after adding the foundation on it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on because we need to see what this wig looks like. So I decided to go ahead and trim the lace down some more. I really didn't have to, but I feel like it was a little bit too long for me. This is definitely optional for me, but I wanted it a little bit closer to the hairline. I really should have taken it off and cut it. I feel like I would have done a better job, but it wasn't showing anyway, so it's not a big deal. I'm adding some mousse on the front of it because I want to lay it down flat. I'm doing this because I want to give it the illusion as if you know, the wig is glued down, you know what I'm saying? So I want it to still look really natural even though it's a glueless wig. So after adding the mousse, I brush it in with the comb and then I tie it down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a center part, and to help me part the hair, I'm gonna use the mousse because the hair isn't laying nice and flat how I want it. It's kind of like all over the place, so the mousse is gonna help me with that. And look at me dropping mousse on my forehead there. Now I'm gonna add some of my edge wax stick on it, but I like to apply the edge wax stick onto my hand, rub it together, and then put it onto the hair. And as you can see, I'm rubbing it all over the hair. And now I'm gonna go over it with my hot comb just to get it nice and flat around the parting. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give it some curls all over. Yes, the hair already have curls in it, but hair like this, I like to give it my own curls. You know what I'm saying? Because I want it to frame my face a certain way. I want the curls to fall a certain way, so I like to curl it anyway, even though it already have curls. Now I'm going to take the elastic band off and fix up the parting in the front where the elastic band is sitting. And I'm also going to take out some, you know, edges or whatever baby hair, because even though it's glueless, you know, I still want to fix it up. So, you know, nobody's gonna be able to tell it's glueless unless we say so, but it's still gonna look like we glued down. So I'm gonna cut them right above my brows in a slanted way like you see me doing there, and then I'm gonna curl them with my flat iron. I couldn't find my tiny flat iron, so I had to use this big one and pray that I didn't burn myself, and I didn't, so my prayer was answered. Now I'm spraying some free spray on the brush before I use it to lightly brush them down, you know, so they look a little fluffy, not hard, and not sticking to my skin. Now I'm gonna tie the front down again because I want these baby hair to stay, you know, sitting flat, and I'm gonna keep this elastic band on it until I'm all done doing my makeup. Now I'm gonna go get all dolled up, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is it, guys, all done and looking so pretty. I absolutely love it. I really cannot believe this is actually a glueless wig from SHEIN. I was not expecting this, to tell you the truth. Y'all can't tell me that this glueless wig don't look so amazing, and I bet it could look even better if I had plucked the front, but I usually don't like plucking the front of my wigs. I like plucking the sides but not the front. But yeah, I am so here for it. The hair is so soft, the length is perfect, like everything is just so perfect about it. I really still cannot believe this is a SHEIN wig. Let's do a spin and check out the back of it. Look at how beautiful that look. Look how gorgeous that looks. And like I said, the density of this hair is 150, so you're definitely getting some good hair when you buy this wig. Again, guys, this wig is from SHEIN, and I will leave all the information in the description box so you guys could check them out and find yourself this unit or any other unit that they have on their website that you may like. Also, don't forget to use my discount code on their website to save on your orders. My man started cheering me on here and I was so for it, and then I was like, be professional, girl, you're making a video. And here I'm doing the tail comb test, of course. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also like, comment, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another video on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.